Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope that everyone is doing good. And in today's video I will be showing you how to apply blush in 3 different ways, especially if you have acne prone, oily skin, textured skin. Don't miss this video and watch it till the end because I will be sharing the tips from my own experience. But before we start, like always, kindly hit the like and subscribe button to my channel to show support. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, the first way of doing blush is the traditional, easiest way on the apples of your cheek. And what I found out is that if you have acne prone or oily skin, then it's better to use a cream blush because it looks much more natural and gives a really nice rosy appearance. So let's find out the apples of my cheek or of your cheek. So what you have to do is you have to look straight and smile, and this is basically the apple of your cheek. Yeah, the fuller part. Okay, so we have to apply the blush over here, and as I don't have any cream blush, I'll be using a lipstick, or you can use any pink lipstick of your choice. Traditionally pink is applied over here because you have to make the appearance of a very nice healthy rosy skin. So let's do it. So I'll be using this lipstick from Luscious Cosmetics, Raspberry. Beautiful shade, and this shade is perfect to be used as a blush, so I'll be using this shade. So what we have to do, we have to take a little bit of the blush like that from the hand and then smile pretty. Okay, so don't use a lot of product, you have to use a little bit of the product, that's it. That's it. That's it. And you can see in the close-up that it looks so freaking pretty, and it gives the appearance of a fuller cheek, as if I've got a healthy glow when all I have on my cheek is the lipstick. So easy, right? Look. Look number 2, the sun kiss look is literally my favorite look because I think it suits my face the most because I have a long face, and I usually use matte powder blush for this look because I have acne prone skin, and if you use shiny or cream blush over here, then it actually makes the skin too shiny, or highlights the acne marks or texture skin more. So my pro tip, if you have acne prone skin or texture skin, is to use powder blush, non-shimmery matte blush if you are going for a sun-kissed look. So how to do it? Yeah, very easy. You have to look straight and then you have to make a wide V. Now you have to pick the center of your nose. I believe this is the center of my nose. Yes, and then I have to make a wide V like that. Okay, so don't go too near to the eye, under eye, and don't go too much close to the cheekbones like that. Okay, so let's do that. For this look, I'm going for a matte blush from Luscious Cosmetic named Dollface, and I just love it. And I have this one since a really long time now. Okay, see how pretty this is. Very powder pink, so much like Barbie blush. Let's do it. So I'll do it like that and do it like this. You can see here is a white V. Okay, you can see how sun-kissed my skin looks. This is the sun-kissed blush look, which looks really natural on my face, and the trick of using it is to use powder blush that's matte, non-shiny, especially if you have acne-prone textured skin. And I've used this with a very light feather-like hand, so that the product that I'm using, it's really less and not too much, because I want to look like a glowing rose and not like a clown. So yeah, keep these tips in mind when you are doing this sun-kissed look. And the third one is the lifted look. So this is my go-to look when I don't know what to do, because it looks so gorgeous, because it gives the appearance of higher cheekbones that looks so beautiful on every face, I believe. And it's also really easy. So what you need to do is you need to figure out where your cheekbone is. So for me, this is my cheekbone. So I'll be putting the blush over here to make my face look really chiseled. So let's start. So for the lifted look, I'm using a bronze blush. Here it is. This is from a brand called the Professionals. Watley Cosmetics. It's from my mom's makeup collection, but I'm using it because it's super gorgeous, and I don't find this kind of pigment anymore in the blushes. I don't know why they have closed the company, but it's so sad. But I have it, luckily, so let's do it. So what we need to do is we have to put the blush over here. Just find out where your cheekbone is. Here's my cheekbone. I'll put the blush over here. Okay, here's my cheekbone. I'll put the blush over here. Yes, here you can see it looks much more bronzy. And one of the reasons I have chosen this bronzy blush is because I've got a lot of pink on my face, so I need to balance things out. And here it is. Very beautiful. I'll use a little bit of it and the bronzer on the chin. It's not too harsh and it's not too light. It's the right kind of a blush that is complementing my skin tone. The hair looks much more accentuated, much more chiseled. So that's the easy lifted look, and you know why this is my go-to, because it's so easy. You don't have to worry about the choosing, marking the apple of your cheek, or figuring it out where to put it in the center of your nose, like in the sun-kissed look. So if you're a beginner and if you want the chisel look, this is the one for you. And it's easy because if you make a mistake, then it does not look bad like that of the traditional contour blush or the sun-kissed look. So in that way, it is easy if you are a beginner. So yeah, that's all about it. So this brings us to the end of our video, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment box below what's your favorite technique of using the blush, and if you have any secret tip of using blush for acne prone textured skin. And you can read my blog on my website ashwablogs.com and find all the pictures over there. So until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao.